All right, so it's exactly 77 days until my Leo season birthday. Let me tell y'all. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J, and if you are new here, welcome. On my channel, we talk about mindset mastery so that we can transform our life to get more fulfillment out of this life. So if that interests you, girl, what you doing? Please do subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Okay, so first off, this is video 119. For the last 119 days, I have been recording and uploading long form YouTube videos every single day. And I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so grateful for all the people that have encouraged me to do such, specifically Glow Graphics. All right. And I'm also proud of everyone who has followed this fearless leader into the void that we don't know, but that we have so much hope and faith in to pursue our actual dream life. Now, when you pursue your dream life, when you start off, you don't know what you're doing. All right. You're just making deposits and you're shooting in the dark based on your hypothesis that if I do this, then this is what I could get. And then you experiment on that. And then you're going to observe what's happening so that you can adjust whatever variables are necessary. Now, for me, I know from a zoomed out perspective what my big goals are, right? But I have been avoiding creating those specific number goals. And I was like, well, with it being 77 days from my Leo season birthday, August 7th, I thought it would be cool to finally put pen to paper and put my heart in my mind and actually confidently, okay, say what my goals are. All right, so if you're new here, I am working towards location, time, and most importantly, the one that's going to pay for it all, financial freedom. All right. And if you are too, girl, let's get going. All right. So I have some goals. So now in the next 77 days, I'm still going to continue uploading videos. And I was like, okay, I send out a newsletter every Saturday, and there are some goals that I want to achieve. This Tuesday, well, next Tuesday, my Tuesday email will begin sending out as well. So I'm putting all of this out there. I'm going to be adding community posts to my YouTube channel and just doing everything I can on my side to ensure that I reach these goals. But where are the goals? So we're going to keep it real simple. All right. So my first goal is I like to keep it like thing. So with 77 days, that's exactly 11 weeks. 11 times 7, 77, right? So we have 11 weeks until my B-Day. Dun, 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 dun. And so we're going to keep it with 11. So I would like for this channel to grow to 11,000 subscribers. Yes, I said that out loud. At the time of this recording, I'm just over 255 subscribers. All right. Ooh, never saying that out loud. So yes, I said that I want to grow this channel by at least 11,000 subscribers. My next goal is I want at least 10% of those subscribers, or wherever you may find me, to subscribe to my newsletter. So that's 1,100. So we have an 11,000, then we have 1,100 newsletter subscribers. And I'm also going to share where I currently am on all these things. All right. And then 110. I want to spend at least 110 hours on creating things that are non-revenue producing, non-business related, non-monetize my hobby, just clear fun. And I'll talk about why. And then I want to at least get to making 11 sales a day on my digital product. Okay. And then one, I don't know, it's my birthday. That's the one. That's the one thing. All right. So currently, as the editing of this video, this is how many YouTube subscribers I have. And we're going to go to 11,000. That's what we're going to do. All right. And currently at the editing of this video, this is the current amount of newsletter subscribers that I have. All right. We're going to go to 1,100 minimum. At the recording of this video, this is how many hours I've spent on a personal hobby. And we're going to take that to 110. All right. And this is how many sales I've gotten at the recording of this video today. And we're going to get to 11 sales a day. All right. All right. So to reach 11,000 subscribers, to reach 1,100 newsletter subscribers, to reach 110 hours of me pouring into a hobby that I'm interested in learning about that has absolutely nothing to do with any of these financial numbers. And for me to reach 11 sales a day, I'm going to have to do something about it, right? So this is my idea and I'm already executing on it. I'm not allowing time to get past me. I'm going to be ahead of time. All right. So I'm going to take advantage of the power of now. And also I got to hurry up because it's about to get dark. All right. So continue to upload daily videos, not as a content creator, but as a value creator. All right. That's most important to me. And that's my goal with this channel. Also on YouTube, posting community posts and just building and talking to you all. And hope you talked back to me. And also, I like to reply to comments within 24 hours. I don't know. I love when creators like reply to me. I don't care if they have 1 million subscribers or 2 subscribers. I'm on YouTube talking to everybody. I'm talking to everybody. And that's something I really enjoy. And I know there are other people out there that feel the same way I do. So on my channel, I'm going to respond. Okay. I'm going to respond to you. We're going to talk. I'm going to share community posts, and we're just going to build it. We're just going to get there. The more visibility, the more opportunity for me to reach these goals. All right. And then for my newsletter, my goal is to continue sending out my Saturday newsletter and to add a Tuesday email. On Saturday, I talk about like the philosophy in the depth of mastering your mind to transform your life. But on Tuesday, I'm going to be talking about exactly what I'm doing in my lab, what I'm experimenting on, what my hypotheses are, what I'm experimenting on. But it's not going to be science. I'm just going to literally tell you in the categories of health, wealth, mind, and self. We're going to go through. I'm going to share exactly what I'm working on, what I've experimented with, what's successful so far, and my goals. All right. So that's how I plan to build my newsletter. And then also just asking people when I see them in person to subscribe. Like, I can do that for both of those, right? And sending my YouTube subscribers to my newsletter is also going to be helpful and help me to reach this goal. All right, the next goal, 110 hours of me pouring into a hobby that has no revenue connected to it, no monetization. I think that we have to remain vigilant about our hobbies and things that interest us and keeping them separate from how we make money. Because I want to be creative, right? I think that having this unique life experience that I've had and continue having has come from me just being creative, doing what I want to do, and just being off the whim. Okay. I want to invest in that. And I think that's what's going to make everybody special. And if you are interested in being a value creator, which you are already, whether you know it or not, then investing into your hobbies and the things that excite you without looking to monetize them is extremely important. The CEO of Blavity and Afrotech, her name is Morgan. She paints, right? And everyone's telling her how she should work on making money or try to make money from it. She's like, absolutely not. I'm going to paint because I enjoy painting. So I really look up to that, and I really admire people who do things for the love of it. I think that just makes you like more badass also. Okay. And to get 11 sales a day, I have to fix my back end. So in the last couple of days, I've updated my website. I've improved my current product, and I'm just going to filter everyone that comes through any of these other channels, YouTube, and my newsletter to purchase my product. And my product is 100 Days 1U. It's an action guidebook and a tracker made specifically for procrastinators, overthinkers, anyone that's fearful, anyone that's led by fear, and for anyone that's just confused about their next step. I created this because of my success with it. After my success with it, for reference, it's a 100-day challenge. Okay. And I attempted my own 100-day challenge 4 times in a row and failed all those 4 times because I was trying to do everything at the same time and for other reasons. But on the 5th time, which was January 2025 to April 2025, I was successful. And that led me to now losing weight, a substantial amount of weight. Okay, that led me to getting and starting my business and being consistent with my newsletter, and now being consistent with posting daily long form videos on YouTube. I did alternate day fasting for 7 months last year. Like, it's a powerful system. It's a powerful action guidebook. I want you to know that you're responsible, at the same time capable of achieving your dream life. Okay. So I created this digital product in hopes that it will help other people who are in the position that I was once in. And I'm still using it to this day because it's levels to it. And I want to experience and go to the next level. Okay. So those are the things that I'm doing to make sure that I achieve my goals. At the end of the day, I'm confident that this is possible. Have I done it before? No. But me putting this video out there is the first sign that I have never reached this level of confidence in myself before. All right. And I'm thinking about continually putting it out every week and continually updating you every week Financial Freedom Fridays or Wealthy Wednesdays. I'll think of a name. One of those. I'm gonna choose one of those, and just updating you on what we're doing for the next 77 days. And if you are ready to build more momentum in your life, be sure to click the link in the description below for 100 Days One You. And let's get started. Like, what are we delaying for? Our ideas deserve to be acted on. Our dream life wants us to deposit right now, and it's dependent on what we do today. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm super excited. We're going to go through this summer. We're going to get this party going, okay? If you're interested in helping me reach these goals, please do subscribe. If you're interested in helping me reach these goals, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my newsletter. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do all the things. I would truly, truly appreciate it. Let's go. Yo, I'm so hyped. I'm so excited. I have never done this before, and we're gonna do this together. And if you're interested in building a rich life on purpose, we together. This is not competition. We on the same page. All right. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Oh my God. If you hit that subscribe button, if you hit that like button, I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. My name is Spivey J. I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace. You're beautiful. I hope you know